Part 2. This safe house. Inside the house. Oh my god. They are so freaky. Yeah. Can't believe I'm talking to myself. Finally made it. Timmy found any weapons? All I found is some music. That's all I found. Western music. Back door. The in, the outside. Yeah. Still can hear that zombie noise? Yep. We really need to find some more weapons. Agreed. Could find like a chainsaw or something. I'd best be off, but stay safe, G. There is a zombie outside. Holy moly. I think he just broke the door open. Oh my god! He broke the door open! Stand back, I got this one. Oh, awesome. I still got ammo. He broke the safe house. Western music! Woo! What the hell? Who put the music on? I'll go stop it. Okay then. Let's rebuild the safe house. Find out and tune in for the next episode.